Oh, what's going on? How we doing, guys? Wednesday, hump day. Hump day. Right. Could have a gander at news. We've got 5 minutes. So we've got the Canadian rate decision in 20 minutes. We're expected to cut rates. I don't imagine it will have too much of an impact. And then we've got the US rate decision later on today as well. Again, expected to cut rates. Which, I mean, I can't see there being any issues. I think they'll cut. Bit of a choppy morning so far. He's on time today. I'm here, mate. I'm here on time. Got my my clock changed on my watch. Bit embarrassing, really. How are you, Lewis? How are you, mate? Loads of people get caught out. Yeah, I'm sure. Like I said, in the spring, I'm sure it was K-Man. And yeah, this time it was me. Yeah, man, not too bad, not too bad. A bit of a red morning. Annoyingly my own fault, really. So, which I think makes it worse, doesn't it? My first trade was just a loss. Couldn't help that. Let me get up on top step. Yeah, first trade was trying to long from the current day value area high. We just melted straight through, fine. Second trade was a winning trade, but I managed to balls it up. It was, I think, current previous day value area low, and the value area high, and the current day value area low, all sort of lined up into one. Obviously, I've gone straight with the limit order. We've got a nice quick reaction off of it. Normally, I'm a one-to-one guy, and so I'd have been in and out if I'd taken my one-to-one, but I was trying to push it a bit further back to the current day point of control. We come up, back down. I wasn't liking how the 15-minute was looking. Closed below my below the current previous day value or high. So I thought, right, fuck this, I want to get out. So pulled my take profit to 1 tick above my entry. And literally just before we clipped that, I've somehow cancelled the stop loss and the take profit. So I was still in the trade. So then I set them back up, and then out of fear dragged my stop loss up to below, I think, this candle. Maybe it was, I don't know, it was half the risk basically. Just trying to, if we did come back down, minimize it. So it got stopped out for a $500 loss. But if I just left the whole thing, it would have been a winner anyway. So, all because I didn't like the look of a 15-minute bar. It's ridiculous, isn't it? And yeah, cocked it up on my end, and that would have put me at, that would have been a 1,700-ish win. So I'd have been up sort of 700 on the day. Did New York session start? No, mate. 2 minutes. 1 minute. So yeah, frustrating morning. Just one of them irritating situations. So I had to go out anyway. So I left it for a bit. And yeah, the goal this afternoon is to try and get it back to at least break even on the day. That'd be nice. But at least I didn't take any of them on my fundeds. I'm not allowed to trade my fundeds at the minute. They're looking into my they owe me 3 express funded accounts, and I emailed them, and they come back and said that I was not in profit and I was at a loss on the day, which I was like, oh, I fucking wasn't, pal. And gave them my exact trade times and stuff like that, and they said, oh, okay, we'll have a look into it, but please don't take any more trades until we've figured it out, basically. So I'm not allowed to trade it, which is annoying. But I'd have probably been around $70 odd down if I had been taking it, so if I had been trading it. Well, I've got a limit order set up at current day value area low. I'm just below it now. If we come down hard, I might move it down slightly to the previous day. I was about to say, why does that not move my stop loss? No. It has, it's good. Yeah, get them. Yeah, man. What's annoying is they've come back and they've just given me an art, like, just a generic response. They basically said that the email that they sent me was sent out to every funded trader if they were in profit or loss. But the email literally says, one of the first lines is, you was in profit on the day. So they're lying straight away from there. And they've come back and said, oh yeah, on we can see on each account, 2 of them you were down 90 and 1 of them you were down 100. I copy trade every single account, so it's exactly the same every single day. So there's literally in the last 6 months to a year, every single time I take a trade, like the trades are bang on the same on each account. When I first started copy trading them, there was a bit of difference here and there, like with the slippage, but now for whatever reason I don't get that anymore, and it's fine every single time. So it's always the same, but for some reason that they're telling me that I was down different amounts on each account, which is ridiculous. And also there's no day that I've been down $90 or $100. Like looking back at my trades over the last couple of weeks, there's not been a day where I've been down that specific amount, so I don't know where they're getting that information from. So yeah, I wasn't happy yesterday basically. Sure, space for high, break for a pivot, fall back under, broken it again, but don't know how like you're thinking short, Lewis. Yeah, I do like longs today. Might have missed the entry. Saying that NQ's looking a bit stronger at the minute. NQ didn't get really any kind of pullback at all, did it? Close it up for a second. So, how you doing, fella, man? How you doing? Hope you're well. Also, I have to take longs all the time hard. Yeah, it's difficult to want to short this. Any sort of kind of big short, I think, at the minute. Any short I'm in, I'm not looking for any major move. I do like top tips, sometimes customer service, agents are terrible. What I was so annoyed about it, because obviously I've known from a few experiences that you've had, Lewis. I just assumed their response to me saying no, that's wrong, was going to be, well, do you have any video or photographic evidence of us being wrong? If not, fuck off, basically. Is literally what I was expecting them to say. But and I'm like, because I mean, really, I don't have any photo or video evidence to say that I was up that amount on the Top Step dashboard, but I've got it journaled, which I journal all my trades on my journal. I take the same trades on this account, obviously on different platforms, so I've got the executions on here, but I don't think they're going to accept any of that information. Yeah, just, yeah, wound me up. Which I was defaulting on top of the show, mate. I'll change the 5-minute, 15-minute resets. Oh, mate, yeah, fingers crossed it stays alright. I don't think they can afford any more issues. Wait for it, I hope they sort it out. I mean, the response that they come back with made me feel a bit better, to be fair. Let me find the response. So yeah, I've come back and said this is incorrect. I've had 2 trades on the 20th, because yeah, they only said that I had 1. And yeah, I've given them the exact details, the exact times that I've opened and closed them, the exact profits to the penny. And then she's come back and said, thanks for your patience. I'm going to need a bit more time to troubleshoot this for you. And I'm currently working with a level 2 team member to get this investigated as quickly as possible. I should get back to you within the next 1 to 2 business days. In the meantime, please refrain from trading or resetting your affected accounts, as doing so could prevent a thorough review and delay potential resolution. So I suppose it made me feel a bit better, but at the end of the day, they can't say, "Oh, can you provide evidence?" because they've deleted the evidence. Like what? I wasn't aware that they were going to delete the trades until they deleted them. I'm not going to go out my way to. I unfortunately haven't recorded it, so because it wasn't during the stream or anything. It was I don't think I even live streamed that day, but it was in the London session. There's express funders, so it might help. Combine, yeah. Yeah, fingers crossed. But yeah, I just can't understand where they pulled the trade information from that they sent over. Bear in mind, they haven't actually sent me over any information other than I was down on 2 accounts $90 and down on 1 account $100. Both bang on $90 and $100. which is unlikely. But I mean, if they have any, if they say no, this is what the trade information we have on you, I'll say, can you provide me the exact times and prices that I was entering at, because they're not my trades. What I also did as well, which isn't going to help me, I posted in Discord that day a screenshot of my trade, but on TradingView, so just the you know, the profit and loss tool that you can have. Posted that one of the trades on in my Discord, so I can screenshot that and say, look, I posted this in my Discord, this is one of the trades I took. Again, it's not on Top Step because Top Step was down at the time I was trying to get the screen record, so nice if it's the other way around. We saw you 20k up there. But if they say anything along the lines of, oh, can you provide any evidence or prove that you positive on that day, I'd say, can you prove that I wasn't? Because the trade information that you have isn't my trade, so prove that I wasn't. As they should have all up-to-date trade information on that day. I assume they would have saved that information before deleting it. I'm still angry about it, as you can tell. I'm a bit tense about it. Still subject. News in 5 minutes. I can see it at 6, isn't it? Yes, the Canadian one is in 5 minutes. Not like that will probably have too much of a dramatic impact, but they are due to cut rates. I mean, if there was any, if it wasn't as expected, potentially could have a bit of market impact, but something to be aware of. And in home sales on the hour as well, US. Yeah, a bit annoying that I can't trade the funders now, because I was my goal for this week was to get above 1,000 on the month, and then I mean, unless they sort it out today and I have Thursday and Friday to trade, I can see it being no more trades this week probably, so it ends the month as it is, which is still nearly at 900 on the month, so I'm really happy with that. But I was hoping to try to push it over 1,000. Lewis, are you doing the Tradeify company? Huh? Sounds bad. I'm assuming obviously you need they want you to sign up for one of their accounts, I assume, don't they? So I don't have props yet. But I mean, good time to start, I suppose, isn't it? They've got a competition on. So a sim short. $35 entry if you don't have an account, or free if you have an account. Okay, $35 is not too bad, really. That's not too bad. Dead open, yeah, man. Could potentially chop until the news later, really. In the rules, if not taking a look, pretty good. No, I haven't. I literally haven't looked. Is it like £1 million competition? Is that? I've seen emails about it, but I haven't. Other than the subject header, I haven't given it any look at all, really. So yeah, I'll have to have a look. Have a look now. I'm doing anything else. What about the Canadian news? Which they have dropped, so as expected. Reduce risk on this. If we pop back up, we're probably gonna keep going. Top 400 traders earn a cash reward. Top 200 also get a live count. Nice one. Learn more. Let's have a learn more. Top 200 traders have advanced to the finals. I love competitions like this. First thing is trade. Oh, well, it has to be Tradeify, does it? There's a trade today on the funded account. No trades today on the funded accounts at hand. I was saying earlier that I can't take any trades at the minute. They're looking into an issue for me. Top step. And they've asked me not to take any more trades until they've resolved the issue. So just the trade, 2 trades on the challenge account, 2 losses. Well, loss and a half. Why do I keep looking at gold? Gold's been serving you well, though, isn't it? Comp should have no second chance. Yeah, man. It's easy money maker for them, though, isn't it? $35. Everyone be like, yeah, fine, I'll do that. $45% of traders knocked out every day. Top 100 traders advance to the live finals. Make 20 to 1 to 400, get $300. Oh mate, this actually sounds pretty good. That's quite good. Literally, finishing the top 100, you get $1,000 prize. That's quite good. Really. We'll mount that. These fucking trials, but you're still having grief with them. But the thing, yeah, Project X Man can be a bit shady. It's not a great system, I don't think. They shouldn't have that many issues that often. Lewis, I'd love to know how many traders are involved in the competition. Does it say anywhere? Because it says top 400 traders earn cash rewards. What if there's like 30,000 fucking people in there? What are they doing, man? You get your funding account sorted? Oh, no, not yet, mate. I'm in discussions with Top Step about them. I emailed them Monday. Yes, Monday. And they come back yesterday and said, oh, you weren't in profit on that day. You were $90 down on 2 accounts and $100 down on 1 account. I was like, no, I fucking wasn't. I wasn't. I was $25 up on each account. Specifically $24.18 or something like that. So yeah, they're basically trying to claim that I wasn't in profit when I was. And I went back to them and said I had 2 trades that day. 1 loss, which I opened at this time, closed at that time, lost this much. The second trade was a win, opened at this time, closed at this time, won this much, which puts me at this much for the day. Both of these were wiped by you guys, so I'm waiting for my accounts basically. They also tried to tell me that the email that they sent me was sent to every person who had an express funded if they were in profit or not. But the first line of the email was, your express funded was in profit on the day. So they're trying to claim that everyone got that email. So yeah, a bit annoying, but they're looking into it anyway because I said no, I am, and they said that we're going to look into it. But I'm not allowed to trade on Top Step now until they've resolved it. So should take a few days, they said. Leo, good morning, mate. A 5-minute close in the next 6. 320 they pull back after a long. Not sure, but that would be when they digital one. Yeah, so even if there was 20-30,000 people doing it, the vast majority of them would be out within the first few days, really, wouldn't they? Looking at it as a chance to get a live account for $35. And what is it? The top 200 get a live account, is that right? Have a look. Top 200 traders compete with a live account yet. How's baby? Baby's good, man. Baby's good. Doesn't stop eating. Fat as his gains, right? Over £2. No, 2 ounces in 4 weeks. 4 weeks old today. And yeah, he's 10 something now. I don't know what he is. I can't remember. The absolute beast he is. They probably just pissed you're on 100+ days without blowing the account. Yeah, I mean, that's what I thought. My thought was there, oh, hang on, I like the look of this. $600 sitting on the book. Oh, they fucking... Ooh, sneaky fucks. They pulled it. They pulled it. I just back pulled mine as well, just in time. Bastards, man. Yeah, no, Leo, that's what I thought. I thought I'm like 170 days or something like that without giving them any money. They ain't up for giving me free express funded accounts for free. We give this guy more accounts, he'll be around for the next 20 years. Yeah, probably, man. Probably. Spoofing the market, I see, yeah, man. Sky when they do that. Normally they put it a bit earlier than that, and that was like literally what, a tick away. Just before I got filled as well. Right, we've got pending home sales in a minute and a half. I hate what time high, it's not for me at all. Yes. I have found it a little bit difficult. I'm not trading the normal previous day stuff really at the minute. Not been too many of them opportunities, have they? I've been doing more current day and just order flow stuff really. How's your sleep been? Not too bad. The missus is taking more of the brunt of it than I am. I'm getting a few hours less. A day, she's probably getting less than that. I normally do one shift with a bottle, one feed with a bottle, and she does normally two, so yeah, he's normally up every 2 hours at least, sometimes 3. But last night he just wouldn't settle down, so like my whole shift for like 3.5 hours just was awake the whole time, couldn't get him to sleep. You lay him down, he cries, doesn't want any more food, but he just wants to be on ya. FMC day today, yeah, man. Yep. So probably not going to be the best conditions. We had the news. Well, I just put a little limit order in, just above this nearly 1,000 lot order we had here. Retest of current day value are high as well. See that water, mate. Enjoy your free time, man. Could be a while before you get an alert. Oh, I am in far too many fucking... Oh, you dickhead, man. I should be in 4 contracts, not 8. Oh. See if I can sell for it market if we pop back up. Right, we're good. We're good. I need to all my limits are fucked up now though. Let's get rid of all them. Go. Anyone seen K-Man? There was a shit on my fence last night, so he's around. No, I haven't seen him for a few days. He has been round in the last week or so. I think he recently moved house. I don't think he's been trading too much, so could be why. We are dipping in a bit further than I wanted to. I'm loving this open. Nah, man. Not being the cleanest, is it? But I don't love this trade I'm in. Yeah, we broke above current day value high, but barely. We've had one large order, which is sort of what I'm trying to long off of. Ideally, I need to be waiting for at least 2 before I'm starting to step in. Should have waited to see if this one was respected. Maybe we get another one further up and then jump on that one, but currently at point in control on the day, so hopefully we find support here. If not, I'll be stopped out and that'll probably be me done. Yeah, out. Oh, rough day. Rough day. Just frustrating. So if I didn't balls up the trade earlier in the morning, I'd have been up on the day. But then worst case, I'd have been maybe down 1R. Less than 1R. What I am glad is though that I fucking got out of the 8 that I was in, reduce it to 4 because I didn't mean to be in that. I'd have been down what 3,500 I think if I just left that. That'd be horrible. This is off. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it as well. To be honest, I don't want to take any more trades, and I just want to turn my computer off. I don't want to see anything else that looks good. FMC today is not going to be favourable for me. Yeah, have a good one, Lewis, mate, and I'll see you tomorrow if you're around, Mush. Right, back up, finish up. Yeah, so I'm going to call it. So yeah, 2.5 grand down today. Could have been better if I didn't balls up one of my trades and made better decisions. But still 4 grand in profit on this account. So yeah, we'll come back tomorrow stronger and better. But so, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Take it easy if you're still trading at FOMC later on. It can be a bit dodgy, can't it? So yeah, play it safe, play it safe. And I shall see you all tomorrow. Have a good one, lads. See you later.